Yosemite Falls stands tall at 2,425 feet, the highest waterfall in North America, singing day and night of the nature that thrives here. Yosemite National Park is a paradise of 1,500 flowering plant species, with 3 giant sequoia groves standing out among them. Mariposa Grove is home to over 500 sequoias, including the grizzly giant, one of the largest and oldest trees on Earth. This rich vegetation provides shelter for more than 400 wildlife species, including 90 species of mammals, 262 bird species, 22 reptile species, and 12 amphibian species.